Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Siti Nur Kasana dari kelas 12 Akuntansi 2. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang teks prosedur kompleks menanam bunga mawar di pot. Di sini saya akan membahas sedikit tentang apa itu teks prosedur kompleks. Pengertian teks prosedur kompleks adalah teks yang berisi langkah-langkah atau tahapan yang harus ditempuh untuk mencapai tujuan. Tujuan dari teks prosedur kompleks untuk menunjukkan atau menjelaskan cara mengerjakan sesuatu dengan langkah-langkah yang urut. Struktur teks dibagi menjadi 3. Yang pertama, tujuan. Tujuan merupakan pengantar tentang topik yang dijelaskan di dalam teks. Yang kedua, langkah-langkah berupa perincian petunjuk yang disarankan kepada pembaca terkait topik yang ditentukan. Penegas ulang atau penutup berupa harapan atau manfaat apabila petunjuk-petunjuk dilakukan atau dijalankan dengan baik. Pengertian bunga mawar. Mawar adalah suatu jenis tanaman dari genus Rose, sekaligus nama bunga yang dihasilkan dari tanaman ini. Mawar liar terdiri dari 100 spesies lebih. Kebanyakan mereka tumbuh di belahan bumi utara yang berudara sejuk. Spesies mawar merupakan tanaman semak yang berduri atau tanaman memanjat yang tingginya bisa mencapai 2-5 meter. Tujuan dari menanam bunga mawar yaitu mencegah stres, meningkatkan suasana hati, mempercantik rumah, dan mengurangi rasa agresi atau rasa marah. Berikut cara menanam bunga mawar di dalam pot. Yang pertama, masukkan campuran tanah dengan pupuk ke dalam pot, sekitar setengah dari tinggi pot yang digunakan. Di sini saya menggunakan sarung tangan. Kalian bisa menggunakan alat apapun untuk memasukkan tanah ke dalam pot. Lalu, buat lubang di bagian tengah dan masukkan akar dari bunga mawar ke dalam lubang tersebut. Isi kembali pot dengan tanah yang tersisa dan rapikan tanah agar tanaman mawar tumbuh dengan subur dan baik. Yang terakhir, siram tanaman mawar secukupnya. Jangan terlalu banyak dan jangan terlalu sedikit. Jika terlalu banyak, tanaman mawar akan cepat layu. Dan jika terlalu sedikit, maka tanaman mawar akan menjadi kering dan mati.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hottest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Making back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off his back. While I rap, not to step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening, I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions. Adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gon' fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah bitch.
Sekian teks prosedur kompleks penanaman bunga mawar dari saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.